cabbage improves digestion, weight loss, lowers cholesterol, immune booster, cancer fighter. Should I keep going? It has a lot of health benefits. Come with me. Let's do the simple cabbage and some ribs. So let's go ahead and season the spare ribs. We add ginger, garlic, onion, habanero pepper. We add some lemon juice, fresh. We add 6 tablespoons butter. We add salt to taste. That's all. We bring it to a blend. Add 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon paprika, and we add the blend. Mix it well with your hands. So we're ready to cover it and let it marinate for over 2 hours. We want the ribs to be more juicy. We're ready to bake. So we arrange them nicely on our baking sheet, baking tray. So we bake at 350 degrees for just 20 minutes. So we peel and cut carrots and potatoes. We sprinkle black pepper, thyme, pink salt, olive oil, and we mix it well. So after 20 minutes, let's bring it out. Look at that. So now we are adding our carrots and our potatoes to it. And then we bake for 40 minutes or until golden brown, however you like it. Let's do some cabbage fry. We have cabbage, onion, ginger, garlic, parsley, and we have habanero pepper. Just a quick, easy one. Nicely washed, cut, and grated. So we add 3 tablespoons olive oil. We add our ginger and garlic. We add our onions. We mix well. So we fry for about a minute and we add our habanero pepper. We add our cabbage. We mix. We sprinkle black pepper. And salt to taste. It's as easy and quick as that. This is delicious. Fried cabbage. We used to add some chicken or some beef meat to it, but we are doing fried simple cabbage with some ribs. The smell in here, so fresh and healthy. Add some Italian seasoning. And look at this. A delicious, juicy ribs. Spare ribs is ready. Serve and enjoy. That's right. Thank you so much for watching. Please, if you haven't subscribed, kindly do so right away. Press the like button and share. Next week, I'm bringing you something delicious. Thank you and bye-bye.